going on, guys? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video, guys. Alright, and as you guys can see here, this is a new signal indicator that I am using, Trusted Signals. I'm on the 3-minute chart, and I'm actually in 2 live trades. Alright, I just actually did 20 trades in a row in profit. Alright, I actually got a few of them on video. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to move my stop loss into profit here. Well, I have to actually move it up first. Alright, and then that one goes. Alright, let's see if it hits it or if it continues to fall down. Alright, so let's go ahead and, as you guys can see here, before the weekend started, I was under under $5,000. Alright, and I just want to show you guys something that's pretty cool. Alright, and it was all pretty much using this specific thing here. Alright, I was literally scalping the hell out of this, and as you guys can see here, during market open, boom, it shoots up to around 30,000. Alright, US 30 at 30. Okay, like, it's nuts out here. And you know, I didn't catch this move up. I was patient. I was like, okay, I know it's gonna go ahead and shoot down. And as soon as this thing gave me the sell, I was in there, man. And let's go ahead and check out my results. Alright, and I'm trading on my phone. I'm still scalping. My goal daily is $500. I'm at $399 right now, so you'll see my trades come in. I'm scalping on this as I'm talking to you guys. So account history. Alright, so I started off the day, and I'm gonna go all the way up there. Okay, I started off the day around I want to say, let's see here. My first trade, I was actually in Euro USD, I believe, and I actually slipped up and I got in too early and I closed my trades. But let's do this. Look, these are all of my trades. This is a live account. All right, let's see here. Well, I know it's a live account, but I know that my thing is open. I don't want you guys to see my my account number. As you guys know, there's a lot of people after the boy nowadays, you know. But yeah, so selling, and all of my trades came selling it down. All right, and boom. So 1, 2, 3. Alright, so that's 3 trades in profit. We're gonna count how many trades I went into profit. Alright, remember, I started off the day Sunday. I held a trade over the weekend. It was stupid that I did that. It was a US 30. It was for 0.5 or 0.10, and when I opened, the market opened on Sunday, I was in a drawdown of $500. Alright, and of course, when you start the weekend off in a drawdown, I ended up closing that one like -200. Then I came back and tried to hit the market without even using my indicators or without anything, just on my phone in the streets. I was watching some football games, and I was like, you know what, I'm hopping in the market. I ended up losing another $200, $300. So I started off today down $500, guys, and I literally blacked out when I started using this. And I literally, let's see how many trades. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25 trades straight. Alright, and let's go to the one where I actually lost all that money. And this is all revenge trading right here. Alright, so this was me probably after a few beers on a football Sunday, taking trades while I'm out, not even in front of the computer. See, that was one of my bad trades. Let's see. Alright, damn, man, I was down freaking 500. And don't drink and trade, I'll tell you that. That's gonna be my new shirt, bro. Don't drink and trade. So, and nobody copy that. That's actually on point. So as you guys can see here, I held this trade over the weekend during election week. Stupid of me, stupid of me. But yeah, man, you know, it's not about showing you guys, you know, how much money I've made, how much money I've lost, but I want you guys to know that you can become a consistent trader, all right? If you do anything in life, just try to get better at it, all right? I could have gave up and started the day off, you know, in a grud, and I had my coffee, start the day off pissed, and right now I'm about to go show a $600,000 property as well. If I close that, that'll be a nice check as well. So starting off the day right, starting off the week right. Today is Monday, November 9th. Stay tuned for a lot more videos. I'm going to be dropping a shit ton of videos for you guys. And make sure that you follow the boy. So until the next video, peace.